circle. It's it. It's going to move.
Now go nice and easy, okay? Slower. See how slow you can go. A little bit buzzy, but pretty good. Okay, come back. Try to come nice and slow. Slow as you can go. Slow.
Yeah, this is actually an engine working in the yard.